The darkness, I suppose, it was the first 3 months which I spent in a cupboard. I was 6 weeks old and I was hidden in a cupboard till I started making too much noise, and the person that took me and hid me at his sister's house where he worked during the week decided that I should go with him to his village. And then a very dark moment happened. They gave me a sleeping pill. I was 3 months old, wrapped me up in a cardboard box, and he traveled with me for more than 2 hours to his wife and presented me, this is a baby, and this is ours now. And in the village they spread the story I was the daughter of the unmarried sister of my war father. And that was a very good story because I had blue eyes and blonde hair, so I was a German baby. When the Holocaust ended, I didn't have any hope. I was taken away from 2 loving people and put into my family. I'm not sure what gave me hope to continue. I think the visits that I was allowed in the school holidays to spend with my war parents, the love I received there, because my home was broken up, everybody was growing differently, not like a real family. So the hope I had was given through the love of my war parents. The message I would like to give, not only to the youth, to everybody: accept people as they are, but start with accepting yourself and believe in yourself that you can share and give and love other people. Never do anything to anybody else that you don't want to happen to yourself. Try and love people like you want to be loved. That's the message I would like to share